How to withdraw your winnings from FanDuel. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can withdraw your winnings from FanDuel. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to withdraw your winnings from FanDuel, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do is, we have to simply open our browser and go to sportsbook.fanduel.com or use the FanDuel Sportsbook app, and you first make sure to log into your account. Now it depends on what type of winning. If you're talking about the winnings that you earned from your bets and you want to cash out, you can simply go to the My Bets option. There you will see the open and settled bets, and for the bets that are eligible to cash out, you can simply click on that option and cash out. But if you're talking about your balance, then you can also click on your balance or the profile icon from the top right. There you can find the option called withdraw funds, and once you click on withdraw funds, you can choose your required payment method and you'll be able to withdraw your funds. This way you can withdraw your winnings or your funds from FanDuel. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.